Hi guys, this is Kipsy. Today I'm going to teach you how to do this text effect in Infinite Painter. So first, we have to go to Create and we have to find the text tool. It'll be at the top right. Then you double tap your text and type whatever you want. I'm going to type Kipsy. After that, we're going to choose our font here. This font did not come with my tablet. I downloaded it. If you need help downloading it, I'll make a new video. We're going to make a new layer on top of our text, and we're going to color everywhere. In this, I do not in fact color everywhere, and that is why you'll see what's about to happen. So I'm going to grab my liquify tool, and I'm going to tap swirl, and I'm going to go everywhere I want with it. And because I didn't color enough all over the canvas, you can see some of the black from the letters. So I'm going to use the move tool to push that around and make sure everything's covered. Hit the check mark and then clip the layer. Ta-da!